Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV, and I hope you guys are well. And today is my birthday, exact day of my birthday, and what a way to celebrate with two unboxing. I received this purse today, and this is kind of revealed. Well, this one is a true unboxing. So let's open this one first because I really love this. This is new for this season, and this is none other than a hair clip, and this is so pretty, guys. I've worn this a couple of times already and really enjoy it. And it has pearl studs here and CC's in here, and this one is in shiny gold chain, and the Chanel marking is here on top. It's like lasered, and then at the back has this like tooth hardware which grips your hair if you want to wear it. And this is really well made, guys. I really love this. And as you can see, this is just so flattering, guys. If you put it on your hair, it will look like this, and it's just so pretty. I think this is such a good buy. It clings well to your hair, and it's just so girly and so classy, and I really love this. And the second one is this. I haven't seen this yet, guys, and I am just so happy to get this. This is a runway piece, and I was helped by my friend Chanel LV to get this. I'm so excited, guys. This is my birthday gift for myself, and I am just so happy to be able to get hold of this piece, and I hope I would like it. So this is it, guys. Oh my god, it is so pretty. I hope it is perfect. And this is it, guys. So pretty. It is in soft lambskin, and it is the Pearl Crush. Oh my god. And it smells so good. I'm so happy. Here is the price. And I've heard this leather is prone to dent, but so far I got one that is really in nice condition. And let's open this. So I bought this mainly for the round hardware that it has. I really love this round hardware, and let's look at it together. So pretty, so pretty. I am so excited and happy. And this is the round hardware. It has a heavy feel to it, and it's very substantial. It's thick, and you press this CC here to be able to pull this strap to adjust it. And there's another ball hardware here that has a CC logo here, and it is just so pretty, guys. It smells, the leather smells so good, and it is in brushed hardware or antique gold, which is so good because it looks casual. And let me see, it is really in good condition, excellent condition. I am so happy with this purchase. Oh my god, guys, I know it. And it has this pretty gold leather lining with a gold zipper with CC at the end. And this is a delicate piece, I admit. The leather feels so soft. I'm really scared of lambskin, and this is even soft, but this ball is just so special that I wasn't able to say no to it. I've been looking at this before and kept saying to myself that it is in lambskin. I don't like lambskin. And I prefer the thicker chain. Mini, and this is a little thin so that it will fit this inside the ball, so they made it thinner. I still kept thinking about this until I was able to get it through the help of my friend. But I'm just glad that the one that I got looks perfect, and I will not be expecting this kilt to be really, really puffy, because I think this leather and the foam that they use has a look of like this dents, which looks like a vintage Chanel. I really, really love it. What do you think of this, guys? And I really like this, that I can put it on my shoulder. I love, love this dangling strap. I know this is not for everyone, but I really like the look of this strap dangling and this ball chain. The challenge on this is I usually put my bag crossbody here on my right shoulder, so the ball that I love is not really showing in here but more on the back. And I don't know if I'll be able to use this on the opposite side of my shoulder like this. Maybe I'll try putting it like this, so I will be able to see this dangling, but I don't know. It will still take some use to it by putting it on this shoulder rather than here, as I really love this look. However, guys, if I'll put it on my shoulder, it looks like this, and I really, really love this look. It's so ladylike, it's casual, it's elegant, it's classy. I don't know, I just love the look of this purse. I think the design of this is so brilliant that they put back the vintage ball and make it as an adjustable strap for this classic square mini look. And let's go ahead, guys, and do the mud shot, because I can't wait to see how it is on. And again, guys, thank you for watching and celebrating my birthday with me. And today is a happy day, and may all of you have a wonderful day as well. And please do like and subscribe, so I'll see you again next time. And please don't go yet. Stay tuned for the mud shots. Bye.